this cold start in. Cold out here. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is my first actual video. I just picked up the Mustang Friday night, and like I said, I was gonna put out a video showing that I got sport mode, and I was gonna make a video on it. Today is Sunday morning. Me and my boy were about to go take some pictures, get some content in for Instagram. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what the sport mode does on a 2011 Mustang GT. The 2011 Mustang GTs originally come with the 321 manual shifter. So it'll be drive and then 321. I ended up retrofitting the 2013 to 14 shifter into my 2011 Mustang and getting that all wired up to the PCM. I'm running a 2013 to 14 PCM and the 2013-14 shifter, of course, and it shifts very smoothly. It shifts really good. I've been having a lot of fun with it since I picked up the car. You guys are gonna see a little bit of that today. Let me go ahead and show you guys the shifter right now. All right, guys, there's the shifter right there. Remember, this is a 2011 Mustang GT. This is not a 13 or 14 Mustang GT. We ended up putting the 2013 to 14 premium gauge in here. And yes, it is the 2011 premium Mustang, so it has the ambient lighting at the bottom. But we ended up putting the 2013 to 14 track apps gauge in here. So I do have functional track apps. Everything is functional. I will be leaving the Instagram of the mechanic that installed all of this into the car. But yeah, so for anybody that is new to the channel, this is my 2011 Mustang GT. All right, guys, now that you've seen my Mustang, let's get back to what you guys have been waiting for. So sport shift, everything works correctly. When I click down on the minus button, the one pops up. I can start in either gear, 1, 2, or 3. We're gonna go ahead and start in 1 because that, doesn't make sense to start in those gears. So I'm holding my phone right now. I'm recording with my phone, so I'm gonna go ahead and start driving right now. All right, let's go ahead and roll the window down a little bit. All right. Sport mode in a 2011 Mustang GT. Let's try not to scrape. All right, we didn't scrape. Okay, cool. It is so hard to drive and record at the same time. Let's get some downshifts in. First gear downshift. All right. I will be getting a GoPro pretty soon. That'll be later down the line. All right, you guys, so let's play with this these gears real quick. You can see it sounds really good. First gear. All right, here we go. We get a little pull in. Good rev matching. Woo! Feels good. I'm really low on gas. I need to stop playing around. All right, so once we come to a complete stop, let's go first gear. The road is a little wet, so I'm not gonna be too crazy. All right, pulling up to the gas station. Get back to you guys once we're on the freeway. I'll give you guys some cool little pulls and all that. Just got some gas in the car. Let's go ahead and head out. We're gonna ride this in sport mode. We gotta have some fun. Woo! I love playing with the sport mode, man. When we get on the freeway and we get into more of a straightaway, I'll go ahead and give you guys a point of view video. But till then, while I'm driving and turning and all that, I'm gonna keep it at this view. Oh yeah. I've been abusing this sport mode for the whole weekend now. It's freaking fun, man. Oh yeah. I do feel like if I would have bought a manual, it would be a lot more fun. Being able to pop clutch and all that. I guess just doing burnouts and all that is more fun in a manual than in an auto. What? It's pretty cool. I will say if you're gonna do this swap on a automatic Mustang, if you got the 2011, it's worth it. It's really worth it. There's only a few people out there that can actually do this swap. So you just need to find the right person to wire everything up and you'll be good. The only hard, all of this, the cluster and everything is not a plug and play. All right, we're kind of on the straightaway. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, here's third gear. Cruising with my boy AJ. We're going to San Francisco to take some pictures. Let's go second gear. Here the rev match. Woo! Let's get a video of my boy's car. Beautiful car, as you guys see. It's a little raining out here, so we got to be kind of careful. I'm running some street tires right now, or not, summer tires right now. So yeah, let's do some downshifts. Here we go. Woo! If you guys are wondering how I'm steering right now, I'm using my knee. You guys can kind of hear the intake a little bit. It's a little shaky. All right, we're getting on the freeway. Ooh, he's scraping. Oh, we're scraping. All right, we're riding third gear right now. All right, we're about to enter the freeway. A little bouncy, as you guys can tell. Go ahead and roll the window up so we can get all that wind out. Hearing both Mustangs just going is freaking amazing. Riding third gear right now. I'm gonna go ahead and shift it into fourth gear once we kind of get on a little straight. And now we're in fourth gear. All right, we're still in fourth gear. No matter how hard you press on the gas pedal, it won't upshift or downshift for you. I'm gonna stomp on the gas pedal and show you guys. It'll stay in fourth gear the whole time. Let's give it some gas once we go under this little bridge real quick. Woo! This is cruising it in 4th gear. Let's go ahead and go into 5th gear. Now we're in 5th gear. It sounds really good just cruising it in 5th gear. 6th gear, I'm gonna go ahead and go into 6th gear. All right, we're in 6th gear right now. That's when it gets nice and quiet. Go back to 5th gear. You can hear it rev match just a little bit. You can hear his Mustang as well, sounds really nice. Go 4th gear. 5th gear. 2011 Mustang GT with sport mode. Now my exhaust setup, you guys are probably wondering what my exhaust setup is. That'll be on the next video. I'll go ahead and record a video, separate video of what my exhaust is. And yeah, we'll go ahead and get that out for you. I'll do some nice little pulls or whatever. I'll kind of talk about what's on my car in a separate video from what the exhaust video is, and kind of just give you guys an overview of my setup. All right, now we're just kind of just cruising. I have so much fun just driving this car. 2011 Mustang is a really fun car to drive if you can shift your gears. Now, if you're just gonna get a base model, like honestly, I highly recommend getting a manual in the 2011 to 12 gear, because you're not gonna have fun in the automatic unless you do this conversion. Extremely fun having sport mode. Most of you guys will say, well, let me go up and roll up the window. Most of you guys will say, well, why didn't you get a, 13 to 14? Well, I bought this car when I was about 18 years old. I wasn't paying attention to buying a manual because I didn't know how to drive a manual at the time. Nobody taught me how to drive a manual, so I was just looking at the autos. Don't get me wrong, it's a really fun car to drive. I have a lot of fun with it. But like I said, not being able to shift the gears, I couldn't have fun with the car. It was really boring. But I highly recommend get a manual if you're gonna look at buying a Mustang. Always get a manual or get a Mustang that has select shift. That'll be it for the video. I'll make another video. Hopefully I'll have a GoPro at that time so I can get a real good point of view video for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me kind of showing you the sport select shift a little bit and a little bit of what it does. Hope you guys have a good day. Peace.